Okay, everybody, it's Kimberly with Exquisite Vibes and Travel coming to you from Montego Bay, Jamaica. I am beautiful Royalton Blue Waters, and I am in room 3713. I'm so excited, you guys. Diamond Club status. Let's see what they got for us. Whoop. Here we go. Yeah, guys, this is beautiful. So let's start from walking in. Immediately when you walk in, you have the bathroom with a toilet. It is closed off so you can get some privacy. This door does slide and it locks from the inside. Also, if you stay at the Royalton properties, they all come with a phone inside the bathroom. You never know. You might need to make a call while you're sitting still. And you come in, you have this little vanity area. Me with my Royalton house coat. And we have some storage area, the drawers here for when you're unpacking. And then this is the armoire here, very tall armoire. It's double-sided. Inside you'll find a complimentary umbrella just in case, because sometimes it does have a little sprinkle here during the day. An iron and an ironing board. You have 2 house coats. I'm wearing one. And if you go to the other side, you have the laundry bag and the safe. I suggest using the safe because if you have valuables, passports, whatever, just to keep, safe and make sure your items are secure, it makes sense to go ahead and put them in there. Next, we're going to go to the bathroom area, you guys. Look at this. This is so unreal. Look at this bathtub. Look at it. It's in the middle of the floor. I love it. I love it. I love it. You guys, this is me later in a bubble bath. You hear me? Yes. So here we go again. His and her sink. Oh, Patrick, baby. I cannot wait till we bring the girls back here in July for a week, you guys. And this is a very nice area. They also have the makeup mirror for the ladies. I really enjoy using the makeup mirror because it comes in handy. It has great magnification for those applications. The scale. And then that's going to be your hair dryer. Of course, your little trash can. This is the shower. The door swings inward and outward. And it's got a double shower with the rainfall and a handheld with plenty of body wash, shampoo, conditioner. All right, you guys, keep going. This is the controls to the ceiling fan, the lights, and also you got USB charger and the plug. This big bedroll for me. Oh, for me. You can order room service, reserve dinner, make dinner reservations. You can check out things, activities going on the property. There's so much you can do here, you guys. I love that you can order food from the TV. I'm watching cartoons, but I want a sandwich. Yes, amazing. So we're gonna keep going on through. Got a little desk and a sitting area. You can either do work here, you can store stuff here, or I use it for a vanity. I use it for my makeup and stuff, because I got the big mirror. Here I am again. Woo. And then, don't mind my bag. This does pull out into a sofa. This room will sleep up to 4 people, so 2 adults and 2 children can comfortably stay in this room. That is the full view of the room. My accommodations, I am in a luxury junior suite oceanfront. Coffee table. The best part. Look at that. And they doing a Cupid shuffle. Look at this, you guys. Book Exquisite Vibes and Travel. Why y'all playing with me? Don't nobody want to go on vacation? Don't nobody want to go to these beautiful locations and destinations and try new things, eat amazing food, meet amazing people? If you're not traveling, what are you doing? Get you a passport. Holla at your girl. Let me send you to Jamaica, St. Lucia, Aruba. The destinations are endless. Follow Exquisite Vibes and Travel, you guys. It's about to be a whole vibe today. I'm about to go get dressed in my bathing suit, and we are about to go to the bar right there. You guys, I love you. Thank you for my loyal followers and all the likes. I am here for you guys if you're interested in getting booked. And also, if you're interested in being a travel agent, you want to travel like I do, you want to make boss moves, you want to get those commissions, let your girl know. I will show you the ropes. Yes, travel with Kim the exquisite way. Until later, you guys, follow me. It's about to be a whole lit weekend for my girl Darnika's birthday.